Here's how to get Geometry Dash mods on your iPhone without a computer. You'll have mods like Speed Hack, No Clip, Icon Hack, and so much more. So here's how to get it. Go to link 1 in the description, then click Allow and click Close. Go to Settings, General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management, hit the Config profile, press Install, enter your password, hit Install, then Install. Go to YouTube, hit Done, and click Link 2. In this website, click on any of the company names below the WSF DNS. Press open, then try installing KSign. If one of the company names doesn't work, delete the app and try the next company. Once one of them works, remember the name of the company and go to KSign. If you get this error, press cancel, go to settings, hit the company name, press trust, then allow and restart. This is very important. Make sure you take note of this. And like the video, yay! These tutorials take forever to condense, so like the video to give me your money. Now go to link 2 and scroll down until you find certificates. Press more, scroll down, and save it to your iPhone. Open the Files app, click the certificate zip file, and go to KSign. Hit Settings, scroll down to Certificates, hit the plus, and click Import KSign file. Find the Certificates folder, hit KSign certs, and import the certificate with the same company name that you used to download the KSign app. If it doesn't work, try other certificates until one of them works. This is how many days until your apps will discombobulate. Now go to link 3. This is the iCreate Pro website. iCreate Pro is basically the only mod menu for iOS, and it's executed so well. This video is sponsored by iCreate Pro, but I reached out to them because I got so much value out of the mod. Once you download it, you'll get a complimentary 24-hour free trial. Afterwards, it's $6. Even if you get a new phone, you still keep iCreate with your account. Now, on the website, click Download, scroll down, and download the IPA. Hit More, scroll down, and save it to Files. Now in KSign, go to Library, hit the plus, go to your recents, and select the iCreate profile. Once it's downloaded, hit Sign and Install, click Start Signing, click Install, and wait until it says completed. Now you have iCreate Pro. To access the mod menu, swipe from right to left, and boom, you're done subscribing.